This is Bob and Judy. They are both European rabbits, Oryctolagus caniculus. They are from southwestern Europe and northwestern Africa, specifically Spain, Portugal, Morocco, Algeria, and parts of France. Bob, Judy, and their buddies can be found in most areas of the world, but not in sub-Saharan Africa, Asia, and Antarctica. It didn't take very long for Bob and Judy to get to America. When the Europeans immigrated to the U.S., Bob, Judy, and all their friends got on the boat with them to see the New World. Because they are very fast breeders, they spread all across the country. Now, Bob and Judy live here in Minnesota. Bob, Judy, and their friends have fur ranging from black to brown and everything in between, and they usually have a light-colored underbelly. They average 34 to 50 centimeters in length and 2 1/4 to 5 1/2 pounds in weight. Bob and Judy will live about 9 years in the wild or in captivity. Bob is called a buck and Judy is called a doe. When they were little rabbits, they were called kittens or kits. Bob and Judy are herbivores, but they don't just eat carrots. They eat a wide variety of plants, including crops, fruits, young trees, and vines. They can eat up to 1/3 their own body weight. Bob and Judy can live in heathland, grassland, woodland, open meadows, and edges of fields or agricultural land. Their natural predators include cats, dogs, and birds of prey. Bob and Judy live in networks of underground tunnels called warrens. The phrase breeding like rabbits was based off the species of rabbit due to their accelerated reproduction time. Female rabbits like Judy are fully mature at only 3 months, and since Bob and Judy love each other very much, ovulation occurs when triggered by copulation instead of on a cycle like most mammals. Gestation lasts for 30 days, and Judy's litter will range from 5 to 6 kits. When the kits are born, they are blind and helpless and naked, but very little parental care is given. Judy will spend very little time with her kits each day. Some kits are weaned by 28 days and reach sexual maturity within 3 to 6 months. They usually leave their homes at 4 to 5 weeks of age. You would think this may cause some problems with overpopulation, but the survival rate for newborn kits is less than 10%. Bob and Judy and all their bunny buddies developed many adaptations to help them survive in their environments. Take their long ears, for example. They allow them to listen to very faint sounds. They can be more than 10 centimeters long and increase the accuracy of sound direction. Bob and Judy's eyes are on both sides of their heads, which allows for a wide range of vision. They can see almost 360 degrees around themselves. The hind legs of a rabbit are also very strong, helping them move at a fast rate as to avoid predators. So if Bob was being chased by a dog, he could change direction very quickly and use his powerful legs to keep him in danger. Which of course he would be since he's being chased by a dog. Silly Bob. However, Bob and Judy, along with their friends, can have some serious and dangerous effects on the natural environment. They directly compete with native wildlife for food and shelter, especially smaller woodland animals. They can also have an impact on native plants by burrowing and grazing, which can prevent the regeneration of seeds. Bob and Judy contribute to the spread of diseases such as rabies, too. They are known to damage lawns, golf courses, gardens, and regional parkland reserves, as well as undermine buildings, garages, and sheds, which leads to human-wildlife conflicts. In countries like Australia, there is a lack of natural predators that consume European rabbits. This causes overpopulation and disrupts the food chain significantly. In the U.S., this threat is not as extreme, due to the presence of wolves, foxes, and birds of prey. However, the problem still exists, and millions of dollars have been spent in order to try and control the ever-growing population. Hunting laws allow humans to hunt this animal regularly, and it is a popular game source worldwide. Bob and Judy love it here in Minnesota, even though they didn't come from the Midwest. Say goodbye, Bob and Judy.